welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And today's video we are going to review a new product that's in the market, which is the Reflect Super Lemon Power Concentrated Gel. So this is a dishwashing gel here that we have here, and it's from a company called Reflect. So today we are going to review this product, so let's get down to the review of it. Starting off with the packaging, it comes in this plastic package bottle with a pull to open cap right here. Very easy to use pull to open cap that we have here. Right here we can see the Reflect branding right in the front here. It says Super Lemon Power Concentrated Gel Washing Liquid. This is a 750 ml pack, and here is the illustration of the utensil washed with the Reflect concentrated gel, and they are shown some lemons here. Moving on to the back of the pack, again we have the Reflect branding. Reflect Dishwash Gel effortlessly cuts through tough grease and stains to give a mirror-like shine. Then we have given how to clean. 1 teaspoon cleans a sink full. Use as shown below. Take 1 teaspoon, which is almost 3.75 ml of the Reflect gel. Mix it in 1 bowl of water, around 40 ml. Dip the scrubber, build up lather, clean the vessels. Clean and get a sink full of sparkling vessels with just 1 teaspoon. Now, what are the ingredients of this? There's anionic surfactants, amphoteric surfactants, non-ionic surfactants, water and perfumes used. Net quantity, like I told you, is 750 ml. Coming to the price of the product, the MRP is rupees 89. The MRP of the product is rupees 89. It has a nice lemony aroma to it, so it gives the vessels nice and lemony aroma. Let's go ahead and open it and see. So it looks like it's very nice and thick liquid gel, cheaper competitive to the popular brand like Pril and Vim. So this is from Reflect. I have used it. So yes, it is powerful in cleaning utensils. It is quite good. It leaves back a pleasant smell. It leaves back a pleasant smell when you clean your utensils with it. It doesn't give you a bad smell. So it does the job. So that's what I would say. It does the job. So if you are looking to buy a Reflect, it's available on Amazon. You can purchase it from there. If you all like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and a like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.